Wondering how to smoothly collect your hard-earned Clickworker cash directly into your bank? Let's unlock the seamless connection between Clickworker and Payoneer. First, you'll need accounts with both Clickworker and Payoneer. Make sure your Payoneer account is fully verified and ready to receive funds. Log into your Clickworker account, navigate to the payment settings. This is usually found under your profile or a dedicated section labeled Payments or Payout. Within your Clickworker payment settings, select Payoneer as your preferred payment method. If you haven't linked your accounts yet, you'll likely see an option to add a new payout method or link your Payoneer account. Click this option, and you'll be redirected to Payoneer's secure login page. Carefully enter your Payoneer account credentials to authorize the link. Congratulations! You should now see a confirmation message within your Clickworker account indicating that your Payoneer is successfully linked. Verify that Payoneer is listed as your active payout method. This ensures future earnings will be directed there. Now, any payments you receive from Clickworker will automatically be sent to your Payoneer account after Clickworker processes their payouts. From Payoneer, you can then easily withdraw the funds to your local bank account, giving you direct access to your freelance income. That's it. Getting paid from Clickworker through Payoneer is now a streamlined process, making it easier than ever to manage your freelance earnings.